So this is a room tour of room 410 at the Brenton Hotel in Newport, Rhode Island. It is a corner view king room on the 4th floor that does have access to the pantry, and I will show you that at the end of all of this. When you first walk in, directly to your left is going to be the bathroom area. It does have a single sink as well as a mirror. You will note too that there is a door that closes. It's a sliding barn door style, and it is frosted glass rather than being completely opaque, but it does give you a reasonable amount of privacy. You can kind of see a little bit of light and dark, but not anything specific. So that is the first piece of it. And then as we come inside, you can see that you do have your robe that is hanging up already. Again, like all hotels pretty much, this is for you to use while you're here, but make sure that you return it when you leave so that you do not get charged for it. There is a shower that is here, and in the shower you do have both a handheld and a pretty close to a rain shower that is in here, and the controls are both here as well as on this side in terms of which unit you want to be using. There is the Bulgari shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel for you to use while you're here. So pretty decent, but depending upon yourself, you might be a little bit more picky, less picky. Bring your own if you need to. Otherwise, that is what is available within the room. In the vanity space, you do have, of course, the magnifying mirror if you would like to see all of your flaws that are right there. But that is available to you, as well as Kleenex. And then you're also going to have your soap for this piece of it, as well as some vanities with the cotton balls and Q-tips, as well as the makeup remover pads. There is also body lotion, again, it's Bulgari, and then you of course do have cups for you to be able to drink. Underneath here is where you're going to find all of your towels on this piece of it, as well as a hair dryer, and I will show you what that looks like. So this is the hair dryer. It is an Andis 1875 watt ionic tourmaline hair dryer. So it's actually a pretty decent hair dryer. It does not have any attachments, however. So depending upon what you need, you may find that that works for you, or you may want to bring your own hair dryer in. There is also a separate water closet. Again, it has the frosted glass door, so someone can be getting ready while someone else is using either the shower or the facilities. Does have the two different buttons. You know how it goes, big one versus the little one. And again, even if I put my hand right here, you can see, but as soon as I start to put my hand even just like 6-8 inches away, you can just barely see what's going on in there. So again, you have a reasonable amount of privacy, and no one's gonna sit there and peek through the hole when it's your own family. Coming back out into the room, this is where the living area is. You do have this little porthole window, which is of course perfect for Newport, Rhode Island, and it's controlled by hand, top and bottom. It does not close all the way, so you will get a little bit of light in the morning, just so that you're aware of that piece of it. You do also have on the desk area 2 bottles of water that or empty bottles I should say, that you can fill with either still or sparkling water from the pantry area. That again, I will show you what that is, but that's a nice treat to be able to have so you can enjoy exactly what you want and not worry about running out. And it does also reusable, which I appreciate. You do have chargers here with USB outlets as well as regular outlets. Of course, you have your requisite television because can't go anywhere without a television on that piece of it. You do also have a minibar area that is additional items that you can have. They do have the prices on them. Obviously, these are not complimentary, but when you do have the coffee directly next to it, these items are complimentary. And you can see the different pods that are right here for you to enjoy. And it does tell you exactly what it is in terms of the espresso. That's the bold and coconut versus the intense and malted decaf. So those are available for you. And then you've got drawers directly below for you to be able to store your items. There are 2 drawers. Oops, this one actually is the refrigerator. And this again is going to be not complimentary. This is part of your mini bar, as part of the guilty pleasures, as they call it. So you can take a look. I'm gonna take that back. So this lists right here that the tonic and soda water, juices, soda, fresh and sparkling water and ice cream are complimentary, and then the rest of the items that are in here are not complimentary. So it's very clear exactly what you have available to you and which ones you do not have available to you, which is nice so that there's no confusion around that. When you actually come around the next part, this is where you have, I like this design of this rounded sort of sectional, not sectional, as well as a table with a chair that you can enjoy. It's a very pretty color, nice and comfortable, and it does look out on the rest of the view from the window. Then you do have a king bed in this room. On both sides of the nightstand, you are going to have your plugs and your light switches. So you've got both, again, a regular outlet as well as the USB outlets. And then you have your light that turns on and off, and it is very clearly marked, as well as your reading light. And these usually, again, just move around, and then you can press the button on or off for those. It is the same on both sides. And then the other side does have the alarm clock. This alarm clock is also a speakerphone, so you can use this to contact the front desk or anyone else if you would like. And you can also have it charge wirelessly for your devices, which is nice. You don't have to actually plug anything in. So this is, again, a quick look around the room. I am noting that there are quite a few chargers in addition to, or outlets in addition to what I've pointed out already. So here's another one here. I do like the fact that you really don't have to worry about running out of outlets and not being able to have access to them to charge your devices while you're staying at the hotel. This is the view. It is quite lovely. You can look straight out and see all of Newport, or a lot of Newport at least, right on the harbor. It's a beautiful view. There is a door that will open, but this is not a true balcony. And there is not a screen to it because it's not an actual balcony, but you can get a little bit of noise and enjoy a little bit of the fresh air if you would like to do so. There is also both the sheer shades if you just want to have a little bit of privacy, as well as the blackout shades that will provide more darkness for you in the morning. So you can adjust that to what works best for you. The other thing that I will point out here is that this is where you're going to have your thermostat, so you can adjust the heating and cooling to be what you are comfortable with. So make sure that you go ahead and do that. So this is the overall room. And from here, I'm just going to go ahead and take you into the pantry and show you what that looks like. So let's head on that way. And actually, before we do the pantry, I do want to show you too, this is where the closet is. I realized I walked right past this before and did not mention this to you. So this is also going to be part of the room for you to have access to. It's just on the other side of the king bed between the bathroom and the other areas. And here is where you're going to be able to have closet space to hang items, as well as the second robe and the luggage rack. Above here, there is also an additional pillow. So if you don't find the pillows to be your liking, you can go ahead and use the pillow here. And then of course, you do also have your safe, as well as 2 additional drawers for storage here. So this one is a drawer. It opens pretty wide. This is gonna fit a pretty decent size items. Maybe would fit a 17-inch laptop. I'm not 100% sure on that. Definitely 15-inch and smaller, but plenty of room for all of your items, whether that is your jewelry, your passports, wallets, etc., as you're here. And to use this, just like so many others, you're gonna enter a code anywhere from 4 to 6 digits and press lock, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then lock. And then to open it, you're gonna just enter 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will open for you. So on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th floors is where you're going to find the pantry. So as you walk on down, this is something you have access to at any time of day or night. This is where you can fill up your water bottles that are in your room, as well as access a couple of the other complimentary items in here, which is lovely to see. So this is the pantry. So all you need to do is, this is the sparkling, press the knob or the tap towards you. This is the still, again, press the tap towards you, and you can go ahead and fill up your water bottles that are right here. And then you also have access to ice, and it's in a convenient Ziploc bag, so you can just take what you need. And then below that is ice cream. So if there's something that sounds good to you, you can go ahead and have it. there is the Luigi's in flavors of strawberry, as well as ice cream sandwiches, and that's what you've got to enjoy here. So again, this is the room tour of the King corner view at the Brenton Hotel in Newport, Rhode Island. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your stay.